Hey there, Sunshine! So today I am so excited because I have a wig review for you guys and I cannot wait to share this information with you guys because I really hope I can save you guys time and money. So for the last like 4 or 5 months, I have wasted like $500. I have wasted so much time looking around for affordable wigs. I want wigs that I can wear out and they look more natural, even if they are dyed like bright pink or bright purple. I want stuff that looks more natural and is affordable. And looking for that in the wig community just literally seemed so impossible. I went on sites that I found other people recommended. I went on AliExpress, I went on eBay, I even tried this place called EX Wigs, and I spent so much money and I ended up just like not liking the wigs at all. I didn't like the styling of the wigs, I didn't like the quality of the wigs. There were just so many problems that I kept running into that I kind of like gave up on my search. I literally was like, I guess I'm just not ever meant to find an affordable wig because I don't want to wear a wig every day, so I don't want to spend $500 on something that I'm not going to use on a consistent basis. Plus, I am in no way, shape, or form a wig expert at all. Literally, I was doing all the shopping and everything, and I was actually looking for like my first wig. I ended up buying several wigs, but I never was able to find anything that like I ended up keeping. The problem that I ran into most often was I would buy a wig and it'd be like between $40, $50, and it looked very plasticky. And while I know I can fix the plastic appearance of the wig, the hair would fall out so quickly. I could not style it. I could not, use a straightener or a curler and do anything with it because the plastic would melt, or I would try and brush it and it would just fall out and like half the wig would be gone in a matter of minutes. It was a hot mess. So I ended up just going, okay, I guess I'm literally never meant to find anything like this. Again, I don't want to spend like $400 or $500 on a wig when I've never worn a wig before. Like I wanted a starter wig, something that wasn't going to be too hard to wear, too uncomfortable to wear, and if I did end up screwing it up and like messing up the wig somehow, I wasn't going to feel bad because I wasted like half a grand on it. And now here I am with this gorgeous blonde wig on my head. I can style it, I can straighten it, I can curl it, I can brush it, and it cost me right around $100. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what my actual hair looks like so we can get an understanding of what we're working with. So like I said, I have shaved off the sides of my hair. I just have this little floof tooth of hair and my sides are shaved off. So when I apply a wig, I don't have to worry about braiding my hair or anything like that. I can't even braid my hair. I don't even know how to do that. But I literally have like not much that I have to worry about styling. So when I bought this wig, here's everything that came with it. The wig, I got a wig cap, I got a wig brush, and I got this cute little box and this, well, here's the cute box, and then here's like this little tutorial on how to apply your wig. So I bought this wig off of Dona Love Hair, and I have to say that I only learned about them through Instagram. Instagram had this little ad pop up, and I was like, okay, maybe I'll just go. All I was gonna do was gonna go look on the site. I honestly didn't think anything was gonna turn out of it. I was looking through, and they have real human hair wigs, and then they have synthetic wigs. They literally have such a large selection of synthetic wigs. It was like, I went in and I'm like still on the hunt. I wanted purple hair originally, and I was on the hunt for a purple wig, but I thought to start off with my first wig, it should be something more natural so I can get used to wearing it on a daily basis and for long periods of times and just kind of get used to playing around with it. So when I was looking through, they had so many wigs, like in a synthetic area. Like I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even spend any time in the human hair wigs because I know that those are more expensive. In their synthetic hair wigs, they had different lengths and different colors and different styles and different like amounts of volume. It was literally so crazy. So I ended up deciding on this wig, and it's long. Like there's a lot of long blonde hair here. This is a lace front. There is a lace on the front of it. I already cut it to like style it because I wore this for a photo shoot. Now I know this wig may be looking a little messy and a little bit of flyaway going on right here. That's totally on me. It did not look like that when I pulled it out of the box. I have been wearing this for photo shoots. So basically when I go do a photo shoot, I'll style it a little bit, and then when I take it off to put it back on my natural hair for a different outfit, I'll just throw it in the back of the car, and I don't take that good care of it. That's totally on me, but honestly, with me admitting that, you can see that this wig is literally holding up so incredibly well. I did straighten it a little bit in the front. I haven't done anything with the curls. It came naturally curled, so again, like, I haven't been that nice to this wig, and it's held up so much better than I honestly expected it to. So this wig have these little bra straps that you hook right back here onto the back of the cap. That adjusts the tightness of the cap for the wig. That way it fits better onto your head. That way it's not too big and not too small, because when it fits perfectly, it's not as itchy, it doesn't move around as much, it makes it like wind proof and tug proof. So basically you have I'm gonna put on my wig cap real quick, but after I do, I'm gonna show you guys that there's also these little clips. So you'll have the bra straps hooked in the back, and then when you go and put on the wig, you put these little clips into the wig cap. That way it kind of adds as an extra layer of security, so when you do, you know, catch it accidentally or somebody tugs on it a little bit, it's gonna stay onto your head. Now I have short hair, so I don't have to worry about, you know, braiding my hair or anything like that. I don't even know how to braid. I can't even braid my hair. But I have the wig cap that I got. This came with the purchase of the wig. I'm not gonna glue this down or anything. I just want to show you guys, like, if you literally don't know anything about styling a wig, what this looks like, completely like not glued down, not clipped in. I have the bra straps unhooked, so literally it's so easy to put on. I just had to slide it on real quick and now it's on. So this is what the wig looks like without me like doing anything with it. Remember, I know it's looking a little like it has flyaways, but I have abused this wig. I have put it through its testing and literally like the hair stays in place. Like I don't have like hair like coming out and it's like half the wig is gone. This thing is so thick and so incredibly long. So it does have this brush and you can just sit here and you can just brush it, no problem whatsoever. I'm grabbing it that way the wig doesn't come off because I don't have it glued down or anything like that. Nothing like that. Literally just like slid the wig on. So if you guys can see right here, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but right here we have that clip and you'll just literally just stick that into the wig cap and that makes it like so much more secure feeling. I will admit that when I first started wearing this wig, I didn't know, like I don't know anything about wigs. I am in no way, shape or form a wig expert, but I was under a different impression on what wig glue was, and so I was trying out some new products. I had some fails with it, so what I ended up doing was just putting on a hat. I literally just put on a hat and I was ready to go. Look, like I don't have this glued down, I don't have anything, but it's still like, it looks natural. It looks like, I don't know, it just looks so cute. I look so like Instagram-y and I totally love it. I love wearing this wig so much with a hat. I just feel so freaking cute. So when I first started wearing this wig, I was under the impression that this got to be ultra glued styling gel was a glue. I thought I could just put this on and this would glue down my wig and that would be that. So when I first started wearing this wig, I was under the impression that this got to be ultra glued styling gel was a glue. I thought I could just put this on and this would glue down my wig and that would be that. But it's not. It is totally not glue whatsoever. So you guys saw that I do have some puffing up from my natural hair. I use this to style down my natural hair. That way when I put on the wig cap, I have a nice even base for my wig to go back onto. So basically you don't want all of your hair to be sticking out because that can make the actual wig glue come up and it might make your wig a little bit harder to put on. If you have your natural hair sticking out, you can definitely, you can tell that you're wearing a wig. It doesn't look very natural. So you want to have this all styled down, flat and even to your scalp so that when you put on the wig glue and you glue down your wig, all that's hidden and it looks a lot more natural. This is the hair glue that I have been using. This I bought for $6 at Walmart. This I bought for $6 off of eBay. This will make your hair tacky, especially if you heat dry it with a hair dryer. I like putting that, like again, like I said, like right here, kind of where my sideburns are, because then I can just push down the rest of the wig cap onto the hair. So not only do I have like just the tip of the cap glued down, but I also have some tackiness where the rest of the wig cap, it just really makes it a lot more, like adhere a lot better to my scalp. This is wig glue, like I was talking about. I bought this for $6 off of eBay. I like this because it doesn't have a strong smell. It has a faint apple scent that's pleasant. It doesn't stink up the whole room. This is Super Hair Blonde Glue Professional Speed. This is what it looks like. Super easy. You just twist up the cap, put a little bit on, let it get tacky, press down the wig, and you're set to go. It's so easy to use. And it was super cheap, so I mean, that's another bonus. So that is it for my review of my very first wig from Dona Love's Hair. I cannot wait. I'm gonna order like 8 million wigs off of their site. They have so many cute things, and this was true to picture. Like, again, like some of the other wigs that I've ordered them and they haven't looked like what I actually received, or they're more like Halloween type of wig quality, where this is, it's natural, it feels natural. natural. There's no like Halloween shine to it. I can style it just like I can real hair, and I am so in love with the length, the color, and I love all of the options that they have, not to mention that everything is really, really affordable. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of my wig down in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.